given and got none. Still I'm driven by something I can't explain. It's not a cross, it is a choice. I cannot help but hear his voice. I only wish that I could listen without shame. Let it rain, let it rain on me. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain on me. I have been a witness to the perfect crime. I wipe the grin off my face to hide the blame. Listen with the tears you cry to have a perfect alibi. Now I'm beaten at the hands of my own game. Let it rain, let it rain on me. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain on me. It isn't easy to be kind with all these demons in my mind. I only hope one day I'll be I do my best not to complain. My face is dirty from the stain. I only hope one day I'll come clean. Rain, let it rain on me. Let it rain, let it rain on me. Don't take my hand. We can walk to the light, and without fear, we can see through the darkest night.
Look, I know what you're talking about. Eh? Now, don't worry. I'll not embarrass anyone. Okay?